Congestion. It's the last thing you need before work. FESS Sinu-Cleanse Congestion Relief Mist. A natural way to help relieve blocked noses and congestion. Part of Australia's #1 saline range. Approved by the National Asthma Council Australia. A deep cleansing saline mist that helps relieve blocked noses and congestion due to colds, flu, sinusitis, hay fever and allergies. It's a mild but deep cleansing solution to gently draw mucus out of the sinuses and help relieve blocked noses, sinus congestion and pressure. For moderate congestion, deep cleansing to clear excess mucus. Washes away allergens, dust and pollen. Preservative-free. Suitable for everyday use. Can be used during pregnancy and breastfeeding. How to use FESS Sinu-Cleanse Congestion Relief Mist. To use, tilt head to right side and direct nozzle into the right nostril. Aim slightly back and out towards the top of your right ear. Lightly depress nozzle for 1 to 2 seconds. Avoid tilting your head backwards, as the solution may enter your throat, causing discomfort. However, this will not cause harm. Repeat in the left nostril, aiming the nozzle slightly back and out towards your left ear. If necessary, gently blow your nose when you have finished. Clean nozzle in soapy water and rinse with hot water after each use. Also available, FESS Sinu-Cleanse Allergy Relief Mist with soothing aloe vera and chamomile. FESS Sinu-Cleanse Mist, a natural way to help clear blocked noses and sinus congestion.